Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Lattafa. They don't need introduction. Almost everybody these days knows Lattafa for a good reason, because they make very good fragrances for very affordable prices. This one in particular is called Qaa'ed Al Fursan Unlimited. I reviewed Qaa'ed Al Fursan probably about a couple of years ago, or maybe longer, and that was basically very fruity, especially the pineapple. It was a huge pineapple, very fruity and very long lasting. So when I saw this unlimited version of it, I had to get it. So this one is opposite the coloring. That one was a black bottle with the same box, but this one is a white box and white bottle, and this is Eau de Perfume 100 ml and is targeted for unisex. So as you can see, very nice horse design. As always, Lattafa always give you the kitchen sink plus everything else for what you pay. Okay, sorry, but I bought it from eBay and it came like this, so it didn't have any plastic wrapping around it. Okay, so as you can see, the bottle is identical to the last one, the Qaa'ed Al Fursan, but that one was black and this one is completely white. It's plastic cap. The atomizer is gold. It's got a very nice design to it. So this one you can find it in United Kingdom for under £20, and sometimes even cheaper, under £15. So here we go, first impression for Lattafa Qaa'ed Al Fursan, and this is unlimited. Here we go. Ooh, sweet. So I can smell something vanillic, very sweet vanilla in here. Fruity, but it's not pineapple. They took the pineapple away and they put coconut. So basically this is what they did different here. Instead of the pineapple, which was big in the first one and it was the dominant player, here the dominant player is coconut. Yeah, very coconutty. It's almost like an ice cream because of the sweetness from the vanilla and the coconut, giving it that ice cream, that feel of coconut milk. It's actually quite milky itself because it's very smooth. I'm guessing there's a sandalwood in here to make it very smooth and rounded. Yeah, it smells like sandalwood as well. So first thing it hits me is the vanilla. Second thing is the massive dose of coconut, and the third thing is woodiness, and that woodiness comes from sandalwood. A little bit of cinnamony feel to it as well, so a little bit of spicy underline to it, but the spices are not big. At the moment they are in the background, but you can feel it, you can detect it. Overall it's very fresh, although it's very sweet, and as I said, it's like an ice cream sweet, and it's milky and it's smooth and it's rounded, and it's got a big amber in it as well. This is ambery feel to it. But overall this is obviously suited for all year round, but it's better suited for warmer weather because of that coconut, that fruitiness, and it's got a freshness coming from some sort of again florals, and the florals on here are white florals, especially jasmine. I can smell something like a jasmine in here. I'm guessing there's an orange blossom in here as well, because it's got a big freshness into it, which is making it ideal for summer. But as I said, because it's a sweet, because it's quite dense, it's you can utilize this all year round, no problem at all. It's actually very unisex to my nose. It's bang in the middle. Anybody, man and woman, can wear it. And also it's very good for going out. It's like a clubbing fragrance because of that sweetness. At the moment, the sweetness from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 8 in terms of sweetness scale, so it's quite sweet. Okay, holy moly, this is very sweet. So very sweet, almost like an ice cream sweet. Vanilla, yes, big vanilla. And coconut, yes, big coconut. White florals, especially jasmine, and also is a orange blossom, I'm guessing, in here. And also there's a base of woodiness, which is mainly sandalwood, you know, that creaminess, that milkiness to it. Overall, again, under 15 quid, this is amazing. Smells very good. But you need to like this kind of fragrances. It's quite tropical because of that coconut, giving a very tropical smell, very tropical feel to it. But overall, I really liking it. So the white coloring is very appropriate here because imagine an ice cream, vanilla ice cream with lots of coconut topping on the top, and also I can smell something like a white chocolate in here as well. Yeah, it's like a white chocolate. It's very interesting. How do they manage that white chocolate? Because usually in fragrances the accord, when they mix the accord to make chocolate feel of chocolate representation or imitation of a chocolate, it's quite dark, or it's quite you know, on the brown side of the chocolate, or chocolate milky. But this one is like a white chocolate, which is very interesting. I think is the combination of coconut plus that white florals plus the vanilla and the sandalwood, and also there's an ambery feel to it as well. But the combination of few things in mixing it like a white chocolate feel to it, which is very interesting. I never smelled a white chocolate in a fragrance before. This is the first, at least to me. And I have a big collection and I smell so many fragrances. So this is the first fragrance that utilize white chocolate in an interesting way, and it makes it very palatable, very delicious, very gourmand. This is super gourmand. You can't get more gourmand than this because it's vanilla ice cream with lots of coconut topping, and also it's like desiccated coconut. It's like a sprinkling of the coconut on top, plus white chocolate. And the floral is like you sitting in a room that is white floral is in there as well. So very interesting in terms of smell. It's very gourmand. It's very good for going out clubbing. At the moment, is feeling the room is very strong. Yeah, super dense, super strong at the moment. In the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, the development, and the things like that. And also, if it reminds me of something right now, it's quite unique. I never smelled anything like it before. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, and you think it's maybe inspired by something or it's a copy of something, let us know. Because to me, I never smelled a white chocolate in a fragrance before, or at least the feel of white chocolate. Okay, yeah, so you need to like your tropical fruits like coconut. You need to like your creaminess in a fragrance. It's very creamy. It's almost like it's so creamy, it's like an ice cream vanilla. Okay, and also it's very sweet because of that vanilla, and the sandalwood is making it round and smooth. There's a buttery feel to it, is come from the amber, and also the white florals here making it quite bright and quite fresh. But overall it's quite dense and sweet. So this is the story of this fragrance, and also don't forget the white chocolate. So very interesting, very intriguing. I never smelled any combination of these things together before. I might, you know, smelled separately each of these, you know, like coconut in fragrances, obviously, creaminess, yes, and white florals, yes, and vanilla ice creamish feel, yes, but never all together in one fragrance and making it very, very nice and palatable, very interesting, very inviting, smells very gourmand, smells like it's food basically, or dessert, or pudding. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. I really appreciate your help. Thank you. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer. I make my own fragrances from scratch to the perfume. Nobody else is involved. I'm the perfumer, I'm the creator, and they are out of this universe, very unique, very artistic, ultra beast mode, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the link in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.